y'all. So today, exhaust put on a Camaro, and then also the diffuser came as well. So put that on. Then I gotta go to Chevy to go get a latch for the hood because it's like a sensor that's popping up on the instrument panel, and then check engine light on because of that. So they gotta swap that out, replace that, and drop the car off to Crown Customs out in Elk Grove to get some work done, vinyl work done. It's gonna be dope, man. I'm gonna get the double stripes on here, like I mentioned before. Get one more look at it before it come off. Single, dual. But as y'all seen in the last video, it's a quad tip with the black tips on it. So it's about to get installed today. About to put the double stripe on the Camaro, you know. Look what they got right in front. A Jeep. I don't know if it's an SRT, but it look clean though. So let me go inside real quick, holler at them, drop the car off, and get right back to y'all. How you doing? I'm here to drop off a vehicle.
I'm sorry?
I'm here to drop off a vehicle.
Okay.
Jeremy.
Sure, for the stripes, right?
Yep.
I just need you to fill out this information at the top here.
So I was wrong. It is a SRT. It's more cold. They say it's the owner car. Got a boiler exhaust. Look how big them tips is, boy. That one. That gotta be like at least a 6-inch tip. I don't know. SRT. So one last look before I get his stripes on. All right, man, have a good one.